day, everyone. Welcome to today's meeting, and we will talk about educational technology under the course of Edu 85, Technology for Teaching and Learning 1. My name is April Marie Gonzalez from BS81, but you can call me Miss April, your presenter for today, under the expertise of Zoom application. So our topic involving Zoom overview and its introduction, its features and benefits, and how to use it. Our objectives for this meeting, including first, to familiarize students with the basic features and functionality of Zoom application. Next is to teach students how to use Zoom effectively for remote collaboration and communication. And lastly, to ensure that students are aware of best practices for using Zoom in an educational context. What is Zoom? I think some of you are familiar with Zoom application, but I think some of you are not familiar with the basic features of Zoom application. So let's start with our discussion. Zoom is a popular cloud-based video conferencing platform that enables users to conduct virtual meetings, webinars, and chat sessions from anywhere in the world using their computer, laptop, tablet, or mobile device. It offers a range of features including screen sharing, recording, and virtual backgrounds, making it a useful tool for remote work, online learning, and social interaction. During the pandemic, Zoom application is one of the educational tool or a video conferencing tool platform that used by a wide range of teachers and students. Actually, Zoom application has a lot of gigabyte or mobile data usage, unlike the Google Meet. But since Zoom application has a lot of features and benefits for students, they preferably to use Zoom application instead of Google Meet. Zoom was founded in 2011 by Eric Yuan, a Chinese-American entrepreneur who previously worked at Cisco WebEx. Yuan started Zoom with the goal of creating a more user-friendly and reliable video conferencing solution. So today, Zoom is a popular platform used by millions of people worldwide for remote work, online learning, and social interaction. Ang Zoom application, hindi lang siya sa classroom ginagamit. Ginagamit din siya all over the world for communication. Example sa mga company. For example, mga webinars, mga seminars, pwede na rin diyang ganapin eh. Kasi maganda talaga yung mga features ng Zoom. So later, di-discuss natin kung ano nga ba yung mga bagong features ng Zoom or ano yung mga basic features ng Zoom interface. Next is our key features of Zoom. First one is video conferencing. Zoom allows you to host or join video meetings with up to 100 to 1,000 participants. You can also share your screen, collaborate documents, and record the meeting. Actually ngayon, kapag nag-join ka sa Zoom meeting, hindi ka makapag-share ng screen mo, makipag-collaborate ka ng documents mo. Katulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon, Zoom kasi yung ginagamit ko ngayon, kaya nakakapag-share ako ng screen ko na share ko tong aking PPT and presentation. Next of key features of Zoom is audio conferencing. Zoom offers high-quality audio conferencing with features such as mute, unmute, call recording, and call controls. During the Zoom meeting, you can able to mute and unmute other participants only if you are the host or if you are the owner of that particular meeting. Doon ka lang makakapag-mute and unmute. Siyempre, may mga participants kasi na hindi nila na-mute yung audio nila or meron naman yung iba na asar and meron naman maiingay talaga yung paligid. Alam naman natin kapag ganitong mga Zoom meeting, hindi rin maiiwasan yung sa environment natin may mga tumatahol na aso. Kaya kailangan, once you enter the meeting, dapat aware ka sa mga best practices kung paano mo i-handle yung isang meeting. Zoom has an in-meeting chat feature that allows you to send messages to other participants during the meeting. Ang kagandahan sa Zoom, kapag mobile phone man or laptop use, meron siyang chat feature na kung saan pwede ka makapag-chat sa isang specific lang na tao. Meron nakalagay doon, hindi yun makikita ng iba. Send this to Anna, for example, ganun. Pwede lang makita ni Anna yun. And meron din dong choices na send it to everyone. So, lahat ng tao na nasa meeting na naka-attend, makakita ng chat na yun. So, dalawa yung choices mo yan. Send it to a specific person or send it to everyone. Next is virtual backgrounds. Zoom allows you to use virtual backgrounds to hide your real background or to add a fun or professional background to your video. Yung nakakatuwa sa Zoom application kasi, halimbawa pangit yung background ng bahay nyo, pwede mong palitan yung background ng netong enter meeting mo. Halimbawa, for example, ganito, pwede mo siyang palitan. Kunyari nasa labas ka, pwede mo rin siyang palitan. And kapag gusto mo ng medyo professional, may mga Zoom background choices din. Mga libro, iba-iba. So, mamimili ka doon. Next is screen sharing. Zoom allows you to share your screen with other participants, making it easy to collaborate on documents or presentations. Masishare mo yung presentation mo katulad nito, yung PPT mo, yung documents mo, and kung ano man yung gusto mong ipakita or i-report sa araw na yun. Kasi alangan naman manghulay yung mga estudyante mo para mas maintindihan din nila, magkaroon ng interaction and masyadong collaborative yung pag-uusap nyo. Next is breakout rooms. Zoom allows you to create breakout rooms where you can split participants into smaller groups for discussions or activities. So usually nangyayari ang breakout room sa mga during call center application. So, sa call center application kasi, merong mga breakout rooms sa kung saan first level, dito ka muna sa room na to. Second level, dito ka muna sa next level, dito ka na sa room na to. So, in classroom naman, pwede siyang gawin kapag may mga activities by groupings. O, di ba? Ang galing. Kasi nga, kahit sa computer ka lang or sa laptop ka lang, makakapag groupings na kayo. Next is recording and transcripts. Zoom allows you to record meetings and generate transcripts of the meeting for later review. Sa Zoom, pwede ka makapag-record ng meetings nyo, especially kapag may mga students na gustong mag-request ng mga video recorded or during your asynchronous classes. Next is security. Zoom offers several security features such as password protection, waiting rooms, and host controls to ensure that your meetings are secure and private. May mga cases kasi na nakakapag-join yung ibang tao sa Zoom nyo na hindi nyo naman classmate. So, para ma-ensure yung security ng Zoom nyo, ang Zoom kasi ay naglagay sila ng security na kung saan hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok kung walang password. And meron namang doon na choices na security room na for waiting rooms, hanggat hindi ka ina-allow or walang permission ng host, hindi ka makakapasok. So, makikita mo na yung pangalan mo bago ka makapasok. Yun. So, may control yung host doon. Kaya maganda yung Zoom. Kasi nga, hindi basta makakapasok yung hindi part ng organization nyo or ng institutions nyo. Naka-restrict sa iba. Next is mobile app. Zoom has a mobile app that allows you to join meetings from your smartphone or tablet, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Dati ay wala pa nito sa mobile app. Ngayon nagkaroon siya sa mobile app para more friendly and convenient siya sa mga so here, ito yung Zoom ko. More convenient siya sa mga student, especially sa atin. And sa mga, kasi nga marami na gumagamit ngayon ng mobile phone, di ba? Mas convenient siya sa mga tao. Para kahit saan ka pumunta, connected ka sa meeting na kung meron man kayo. Next naman natin is ease of use of Zoom. First is creating a Zoom account. Scheduling a meeting, joining a meeting, navigating the Zoom interface, and tips for using Zoom effectively. So magpapakita ko ng video kung paano nga ba natin magagamit yung Zoom application. Or ano yung mga features ng Zoom application. So let's start.
Good day everyone, welcome to today's presentation. Today we will be discussing how to use Zoom, one of the most popular video conferencing platforms. In this section, we will cover the basics of how to create an account, schedule a meeting, join a meeting, navigate the Zoom interface, and some tips for using Zoom effectively. So as you can see, I have already opened my Zoom app in this laptop, but you can also access Zoom application or via mobile phones, and you can download via Zoom websites in the Google or in your Apple. Okay, so first thing is creating a Zoom account. To use Zoom, you need to create an account. Go to the Zoom website or here, Zoom app. So you can see the email and password tab. If you already created an account, you can just simply type your email here and your password here and sign in. Or you may simply sign in with SSO, Apple, Google, and Facebook. So we will sign in via Google. Okay, once you have created an account, you can schedule and join meetings. Let's start with scheduling a meeting. So upon clicking the schedule meeting button, you can enter the meeting details such as date and time, topic, attendees, recurring meeting if you have a daily, weekly, or monthly meeting. And you can also customize the meeting settings such as enabling video and audio for participants and hosts. For example, is this. You can on and off here. On the last part of scheduling a meeting, there are advanced options, which are allowing participants to join anytime. Mute participants upon entry, automatically record meeting on the local computer, and approve or block entry for users from specific countries or region. Next is joining a meeting. To join a meeting, you need the meeting link or the meeting ID. So here are you can also simply type your personal link, name, and your name. There are other options here. If you don't want to connect your audio upon entering the meeting, and if you want to turn off your video upon entering the meeting. Let's proceed to navigating the Zoom interface. Once you are in a meeting, you will see the Zoom interface, or this. The interface has several features such as the video feed, the chat box, here, um, the screen sharing option, the audio, microphone, the camera, on and off, the share screen, and you can also chat with other participants with using chat box. So let's start with the features of this Zoom features. So here, you can mute and unmute your audio. You can start and stop your video. And this is the security. You can lock the meeting, enable waiting rooms, hide profile pictures, and so any other choices for the participants. If you want to allow all your participants to share their screen, to chat, or send messages, rename themselves, unmute themselves, start video share, and so on and so forth. Here is the participants features. If you tend to click on it, you can see the number or the name of the participants. And you can also invite other participants to join on a meeting. So let's proceed to the chat feature. If you click on it, you can see chat box. And if you want to send a message to a specific person, you can also send a message, and you can also send to everyone. So since I am the only one here in this meeting, I am not able to send a message to a specific person. Next is the share screen. So if you have a reporting or any other collaborations, if you want to share your documents to other attendees or to your students, you can share your screen. You can also create a white drawing by a whiteboard, an iPhone, iPad feature. So later we will talk about that. Next is recording. If you want to record the enter meeting, you can click on this. So especially on the online class, some of the students are not able to attend, and they are requesting a recording video via asynchronous. So this is how it works, the recording button. Next is the show captions. If you want to understand the dialogue of a certain host in this meeting, you can click this option button, the show captions, and enter the desired language or the language that they have spoken. And you can also share your reactions to other people. You can also raise your hands if you want to answer or if you want to ask questions. And this is the new features of Zoom application, which is apps. So here in apps, if you want to collaborate or you have an icebreaker before starting a reporting or discussion in your classroom or in a meeting, you can also click on this. And for example, you are using Kahoot. You can collaborate with other people by entering this app button. And here is the whiteboard that we are talking a while ago. If you want your attendants to visualize what you are referring to on a certain object, you can collaborate or you can simply present what you are trying to visualize with them. So if you tend to click on the whiteboard button, this is how it goes. So here, you can draw anything. So just like that. So that is the Zoom interface once you join a meeting.
Ang ating tutorial for desktop or using your laptop and computer. So next naman is mobile phone tutorial of features and features of Zoom interface.
Good day everyone. Today we will show you the interfaces of Zoom application using your mobile phone. So once you open your Zoom app, there's a same as the desktop. Under the meetings, there are new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. So you can download your Zoom application via Play Store or in your App Store. Same as the desktop of signing in and sign up. So I already signed in here. So as you can see, this is my account. Below here are the other features of Zoom application. Under the team chat, you can add your contacts or your personal contacts here. And in the contacts, you can see what or who are the contacts you have added, and you can also connect your phone contacts. In more, you can see the added features in Zoom application, the settings, and other. We will be focusing only in the Zoom interface. Let's start with the share screen. Once you click the share screen, you can see that you need to enter the sharing key or meeting ID to share to a Zoom room. So you need to join in a meeting first. And here, same as a desktop, you can schedule your meeting. You can type here the topic or the title of your meeting. You can also customize the date and the duration of your meeting, the time zone, the place where you are located to. And here, you can invite, same as the desktop, that you need to type email or their name for the invitees or attendees. You can allow to use your personal ID, and there's a security here if you want to require meeting passcode upon entering the meeting. And you can also able to users admitted by the host can join the meeting. So once they are joined the meeting without your permission, they cannot join the meeting. And there are lots of meeting options here, which are same in the desktop that we have talked a while ago, including opening their video or camera once they are entering the meeting. There's also an advanced options here if you want to allow your participant to join before your host or before the host. And if you want to automatically record your meeting, you can also record your meeting upon starting it. And there's also a recording location here. You can also approve or block entry users from specific countries or region. Now let's proceed with joining a meeting. Once you click the join, it will allow you to enter the meeting ID. Or you can also simply join with a personal link name. And you have also an options here if you want to connect your audio upon entering and if you want to turn off your camera upon entering. Let's focus now on Zoom interface once you are in the meeting. So once you click the new meeting, it will allow you to turn on your camera upon entering or turn off your camera. And you can also use your personal meeting ID to start a meeting. And the use of this code is to share with others. If you want to share it to your attendees or to your students. So since I don't want to turn on my camera upon entering, we will start this meeting.
As you can see, I'm not able to speak here because I am not yet clicking the Wi-Fi or cellular data. So in this mobile application, you can mute or unmute your um, Zoom, and you can also start your video. There is also participants here, which you can see the participants or the attendees in the Zoom application. You also have a choice if you want to invite your Zoom meeting to others and via messages, Messenger, Gmail, and any other social media accounts. And for easy use is to copy the invite link. You can also mute all the attendees only if you are the host in the particular meeting. And you can also ask everyone to unmute their audio or mic because sometimes there's a lot of noises in the environment. So here is the chat features. Like in laptop, there's a choices here if you want to send a message to everyone or to a specific person. But since I am the only person on this meeting, I am not able to send it to everyone. The only differences in the laptop and mobile phone. In the mobile phone, there's a feature here which you can send a file or a photo. Next is if you want to ask a questions to others, you can react using the reactions button. If you want to raise hand, you can simply just raise your hand and ask a question. So in sharing a screen, you can share in a lot of choices and options using Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft SharePoint, Google Drive, Box, Photo, document, camera, web URL, and your screen. So mas marami choices sa mobile, mas convenient sa mobile phone kapag gumamit ka ng Zoom application. And also, meron din ditong share whiteboard if you want others to visualize what you are talking to. And here naman, ang kaibahan lang sa mobile phone, dito, show captions lang ang nakalagay. Auto-detect kung anong language. Sa laptop kasi, may specific language siya nakalagay. Unlike here, na show captions lang. So, sometimes yung mga show captions na yan, mali-mali rin yung nakalagay dun eh. Kaya, mas maganda makinig na lang talaga. Then, here may whiteboard din. So once you click the whiteboard, pwede kang mag-collaborate or just present with others. If you click the collaborate, makakapag-drawing yung iba. If you click the present, ikaw lang yung makakapag-drawing. Meron din siyang bagong features including apps. So for example, gusto mo ng mga icebreaker, katulad ng Kahoot, pwede mong i-open yung apps. Ang ma-open lang dyan yung mga apps na in-install mo sa mobile phone mo. Ayan, apps will only appear on your Zoom device if they are being installed on your Zoom desktop application. So here's some more naman. Meron tayong mga security settings, meeting settings, and disconnect the audio. So just like lang sa laptop or desktop or computer, same lang sila ng mga features. Pero dito, makikita mo, pag pindot mo yung Zoom, makikita mo yung mga Zoom details mo, including your meeting ID, host, passcode, invite link, participant ID, encryption, and security settings overview. So, halos same lang naman ang nasa laptop and mobile phone. May kanya-kanya lang talaga silang advantage and kanya-kanyang uniqueness. Pero halos same lang. Magkaiba lang sila ng mga pwesto. Pero ganun pa rin naman yung mga gamit ng Zoom. More convenient lang talaga sa mobile phone since handy kasi ang mobile phone. And ang convenient naman sa laptop is mas mas mabilis ang signal kapag nasa laptop, unlike here sa mobile phone. Yan ang ating tutorial for mobile phone and desktop use. So, tips for using Zoom effectively. First tips natin is stable internet connection. So, bakit? Because to ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection to avoid disruptions during your Zoom sessions. For example, if you are connected to a high-speed Wi-Fi network, you will have a smoother experience of a meeting. Pero kapag connected ka sa medyo sobrang hina ng signal, paputol-putol yung magiging salita mo and hindi ka maiintindihan ng mga attendees mo, especially ng mga students mo, lalo na kung teachers ka. Next naman is test equipment and settings. So, kapag gagamit ka ng Zoom application or before your Zoom session, you must test your microphone, your speakers, your camera to ensure that they are working properly. So, you can adjust your audio and video settings in your Zoom. So, meron naman tayong Zoom settings. Malalaman mo naman kung maririnig ka ng mga audience mo eh. Pwede mo rin naman silang tanungin or pwede ka rin naman mag-try sa sarili mo. Kung may laptop ka or may cellphone ka, ganun yung pwede mong gawin para naman maging maayos yung flow ng meeting nyo. Para rin magkaroon ng clarity sa mga information. Next naman is use your phone or headphones. So yan. Pangatlong tips natin to sa paggamit ng Zoom effectively. By the use of your headphones or earphones with a built-in microphone, this can help reduce your background noise and can improve your audio quality. So especially in group discussions or larger meetings. Next naman is mute your microphone. So when you are not speaking, upon entering the meeting, it's the best practice if you mute your microphone to minimize the background noise. So this is particularly important if you are in a larger meetings or webinars to maintain clarity and prevent distractions. For example, you are the attendees in a certain meeting. So, meron namang choices dun eh. Kapag sa Zoom application, may choices dun bago ka mag-join sa meeting. Katulad ng sinabi natin kanina, you can turn off or turn on your audio upon entering the meeting. So yun, kung ayaw mo makadistract na iba, iti-turn off mo yung audio mo. Familiarize yourself sa mga Zoom features. So especially now, part na talaga ng education natin ang Zoom application. Part na talaga siya ng classroom natin since nagkakonduct pa rin ngayon ng online class. So, mas maganda kung ipapamiliarize mo yung sarili mo sa mga Zoom features and makakapag-enhance kasi yun ng teaching mo rin and ng meeting experience mo kapag na-familiarize mo yung sarili mo sa Zoom. How does Zoom application helpful in educational technology? So, paano nga ba nakakatulong yung Zoom application sa educational technology natin? So, since part ng technology ang Zoom, um, first one is video conferencing. So, Zoom allows teachers and students to connect through high quality video and audio. So, it enables us to remote learning. So, since the pandemic happened, a lot of us are staying at home. So, we don't have a lot of choice. And our only choice is to conduct online classes. So, video conferencing using Zoom, mas convenient lang or naging alternative kasi ang Zoom application sa pag-aaral natin. So, kahit nagka-pandemic, nagkaroon pa rin tayo ng way para magkaroon ng interaction sa ating mga classmates and teachers. So, next is virtual classrooms. So, Zoom provides a virtual classroom environments where teachers can conduct live lectures. Nagiging virtual classrooms na yung Zoom natin, di ba? Kasi nga, nakakapag-share na ng mga screen instead na pag nasa face-to-face tayo. Instead ng mga visual aids using Manila paper or their laptop, sa online, using the Zoom applications, pwede ka na mag-share ng screen using your Zoom. I-share mo yung mga documents mo or yung visual aids mo gamit yung PowerPoint mo. So, sa mga students naman, they can also participate by asking questions. Ang mga students naman pwede makapag-share ng screen and pwede sila makapag-chat using the chat feature ng ating Zoom to communicate with their instructor. Next naman is online lectures and webinars. Zoom allows the teachers to deliver their online lectures and host webinars with large audiences. So, hindi lang naman mga teachers yung pwedeng makapag-conduct ng mga webinars. So, meron ding iba na sa mga ibang company nakapag-conduct ng mga webinars. But here in education, sa field ng education, ang Zoom ay nagagamit natin sa pagkakandak ng mga lectures and other meetings. Breakout rooms. So, ang breakout rooms kasi ginagamit siya for collaboration or problem solving. Next naman is recording and playback. So, this recording and playback sa Zoom, it allows teachers to record their sessions. So, especially katulad sinabi ko kanina, kapag may mga students kasi nagre-request ng video recorded ng meeting since they are not able to attend the meeting, they are requesting the video recorder. So, may consent naman yun. Pwede naman. So, kaya nga may record button para rin mabalikan yung pinag-aralan. And para halimbawang mabagal yung signal, naka-attend nga, mabagal yung signal niya, pwede pa niya mabalikan kung ano yung tinuro ng teacher niya and mas maintindihan pa niya. Polls and quizzes. Yung apps na bagong features ng Zoom, pwede kayong makipag-collaborate and pwede kayong labas ng apps which is Kahoot. For example, sa mga icebreaker bago mag-start ang meeting. So, pwede kang magpa-Kahoot doon and lahat ng participants pwede makapag-join and makakasagot sila sa mga tanong. Next naman is guest speakers and virtual field trip. Tulad ng sa amin, meron minsan mga guest na mga dean, ganon. Pwede rin makapag-guest yung iba. And nakikita naman kasi yun, meron kasing setup sa Zoom na parang nasa classroom talaga kayo. So yun, may mga ganong feature sa Zoom. So that's all for our discussion. I hope na nakaintindi kayo kahit paano sa ating Zoom application and how to use it. So these are the references that I have used in this presentation. So thank you for watching.